Hi everyone, welcome back to English Academy. Today we're going to learn a useful English phrase, hitch a ride. But first, let's check out a quick clip from a movie where this phrase is used.
I'll meet you back at the office later.
How will you get there?
I'll hitch a ride.
That was a great example. Now let's dive into what hitch a ride means and how you can use it in everyday conversations. So, what does hitch a ride mean? To hitch a ride means to get a ride in someone else's vehicle, often without paying. It's a casual and informal way of saying you're catching a ride with someone. So imagine you missed your bus and you need to get to school or work. If a friend is going your way, you might ask them if you can hitch a ride with them. It's a great way to get where you need to go without having your own transportation. Let's look at a couple of examples to see how this phrase is used.
I missed my bus, so I had to hitch a ride with my friend to get to school.
Here, the person needed a ride after missing their bus, so they asked their friend for a lift.
After the concert, we hitched a ride with some other fans back to our hotel.
In this case, after enjoying a concert, the person and their friends found a ride with other fans heading in the same direction. That's it for today's lesson. Now you know how to use the phrase hitch a ride in your conversations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more English tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on English Academy.